Hello friends, hope you all doing well. So today here in this video we will discuss about the vitamin A. Vitamin A. So vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin like vitamins A, D, E and K. These are the fat soluble vitamins, and the others are water soluble vitamin. So vitamin A. So vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin. It's derived from beta carotene sources. Derived from beta carotene sources. So the source of the vitamin A are plant sources and number two animal source. So the plant source are all pigmented, particularly yellow vegetables and fruits like sweet potatoes. These are the source of vitamin A of the plant source. Which are plant source? Now the animal sources. So the animal sources are so different fruits, uh, plant source and animal source. So animal source are liver, milk, butter, eggs, kidney. So these and the fat of muscles. So fat of muscles and fish liver oil, these are the animal source like liver, milk, butter, egg, fish liver oil. So that are the animal sources, and plant sources all pigmented vegetables. So now let's talk about the functions of vitamin A. So let's talk about the functions of vitamin A. So the main functions of the vitamin A is role in vision. So role in vision. So number two, vitamin A helps in the maintaining the integrity of the epithelial tissues as epithelial layers of skin, respiratory mucosa, esophagus and genital tract. So number two, integrity of the epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues, epithelial layers of skin as the epithelial layers of skin, respiratory mucosa, esophagus and genital tract. It maintains the integrity of the epithelial tissues. So number three, the function number three, it helps in the stability and the normal permeability of the cell membrane. Structure, integrity and normal permeability of the cell membrane. Helps in the preservation of the structure integrity. Structure integrity and normal and normal permeability of the cell. Permeability of cell membrane. Permeability of the cell membrane. So these are the three functions, and the number 4 function is accelerate the normal formation of bones and teeth. And number 5 is vitamin A helps in the involved in the synthesis of chondroitin sulfate. So these are the functions of vitamin A. So now let's talk about the deficiency manifestation. Okay, so what causes in the deficiency of vitamin A? So number 1, night blindness or nyctalphia. So night blindness. So night blindness or nyctalphia, it is a visual visual activity is diminished in the dim light in night blindness. So the patient cannot read, so in the dim light, so the patient cannot read or drive in the poor light, okay. So these are the deficiency manifestation of the vitamin A. So in this, dark adaptation time increased. So a number is xerophthalmia. So number 2 is xerophthalmia. In xerophthalmia, the conjunctiva becomes dry, thick. Conjunctiva switches in the eye. So the conjunctiva becomes dry, thick, and wrinkled. The conjunctiva gets keratinized and loses normal permeability, normal transparency. Okay, number 1 is night blindness, number 2 xerophthalmia, and number 3 is white hot spot. So number 3 is white hot spot. This gray white triangular plaque firmly conjunctiva. So it's also a eye problem. It's also a eye problem. So night blindness, xerophthalmia, and white hot spot, these are the deficiency of the vitamin